Now you are able to see over here the phone that is present in my hand. It is an iPhone. Now I'll let you know how to take the screenshot on an iPhone. First of all, open the window whose screenshot have to be taken. As we have seen in Android, there will be two buttons, a power, and over here it is volume up button. So we have to press power and volume up button for few seconds. Now I'm pressing volume and power, volume up and power down button for few seconds. You will be able to see the screenshot has been taken. Now when you click on done, you're required to click on save to photos. When you are clicking on save to photos, it will be saved in the gallery. So I'm opening the galleries now, and you will be able to see the image, the screenshot have been taken, and it is stored in the gallery part. From here you will be able to upload it on the Google form. As just click on it and from the drive open it.